वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल जॉब सर्च फॉर यू। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लेके आया हूँ वीक की कुछ ऐसी जॉब्स जो कि हैं रिलेटेड टू पावर बीआई डेवलपर रोल। तो अगर आपने कोर्स पास आउट किया है या आपके पास एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ 1 to 3 इयर्स और 4 इयर्स, देन यू शुड चेक द एंटायर वीडियो। तो इस वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट आर द नेम ऑफ द कंपनीज एंड सैलरीज कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग। उससे पहले फॉर माय न्यू ऑडियंस, लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ। My name is Harish Singh. I'm a blogger, a YouTuber, and a job search consultant as well. And time to time आपको अपने वीडियोस के थ्रू, इंस्टाग्राम पेज के थ्रू, फेसबुक पेज के थ्रू जॉब अपडेट्स अवेलेबल कराते रहता हूँ. And I've almost 8+ years of experience recruiting people for different skills like Power BI developer, business analytics, data analytics, full stack developer role. So if you do not want to lose out any single opportunity related to these domains, do subscribe this channel right away. Follow my Instagram page and my Facebook page as well.
लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं फॉर द रोल ऑफ पावर बीआई डेवलपर और बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस एनालिस्ट रोल के लिए। फर्स्ट कंपनी इन द लिस्ट इज TIETOEVRY, hiring for junior business intelligence engineer, experience 0 to 1 year, job locations in Pune, and currently they are offering a remote job opportunity. Salary would be 3 to 5 lakhs per annum estimated. Education bachelor's, master's degree in computer science, IT or other similar degrees. Job description: we look forward to hiring a passionate business intelligence developer. He shall be responsible for designing, developing, and maintaining business intelligence solutions, including but not limited to query tools, data visualization, interactive dashboards, and ad hoc reporting. Technical skills: good knowledge in writing SQL queries, expertise in using advanced level calculations on the dataset, excellent analytical thinking for translating data into informative visuals and reports, familiarity with agile methodologies and working in an agile way on data projects, high level of expertise in MS Excel, knowledge of MS Access is preferred, a strong background of working with database systems along with a strong knowledge of SQL, and hands-on experience or knowledge in Power BI and Power Tools. So these are some key skills for this job role. And if you're interested for the job role, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job. Let's move to the second job. Company name is AIS, hiring for Power BI analyst, experience 2 to 3 years, location Vadodara, Gujarat. Salary would be competitive. Education any bachelor's or master's degree. Roles and responsibilities: be the liaison between the reporting manager and the client, ensuring effective communication between the two to ensure deliverables are completed in a timely fashions. Support data feeds between dashboard, data sources, and data marts to maximize dashboard uptime, for product databases and Power BI dashboards. Ingest SQL and other source into Power BI. Build and support Power BI dashboards. Be able to support and troubleshoot issues with Power BI and SQL, and develop business requirements and tool for process development, system enhancement, and continuous improvement. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform as a Power BI analyst over here. And for this job role, there are certain required skills you need to have: effective communication, ability to gather business requirements from key stakeholders, experience with Power BI, that's mandatory, SQL Server, customer support, responsible demeanor. So these are some technical skills or soft skills you need to have for this job role. And if you are interested for the job role, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job. Let's move to the third job. Company name is QUANTIPHI, hiring for BI developer, experience 1 to 3 years, job locations in Mumbai and Bengaluru. Salary will be discussed. Education bachelor's degree in computer science, information system or related field, or equivalent experience. About the role: designing, developing, and maintaining business intelligence solutions to enable the client make data-driven business decisions. Work with business users and other stakeholders to understand business processes and requirements. Design, build, and deploy BI solutions using Power BI. Presentation through reports and visualization. Integration from source applications to end-user BI solutions. Collaborate with teams to integrate systems. Create visualization and reports for requested projects. And SSRS integration to Power BI. So these are some key responsibilities you need to perform as a Power BI developer over here. And technical skills: proven experience as a BI developer or data engineer with a focus on BI, strong proficiency in SQL and experience with relational databases, that is SQL Server, MySQL or PostgreSQL, experience with BI tools such as Power BI, Tableau or similar, familiarity with ETL tools and techniques, solid understanding of data warehousing concepts and methodologies, and experience with data visualization best practices and principles. You can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. Let's move to the fourth job. Company name is ACCENTURE, hiring for application developer, experience 2 to 5 years, job locations in Gurgaon, education bachelor's degree in computer science or related field. Pay scale would be 6 to 13 lakhs per annum estimated. Roles and responsibilities. As an application developer, you'll be responsible for designing, building, and configuring applications to meet business processes and applications requirements using Power BI. Typical day will involve working with Power BI developing team and deploying applications and collaborate with cross-functional teams. Design, development, and deployment of applications using Microsoft Power BI to meet business processes and applicant requirements. Develop and maintain technical documentation, including design documentations, user manual, and test plans, and provide technical supports and troubleshooting for application developed using Power BI. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this job role. Technical skills, experience with Power other BI tools such as Tableau or QlikView, a strong understanding of data modeling and data visualization techniques, experience with SQL Server and other relational databases, experience with ETL tools such as SSIS or Informatica, and the ideal candidate will possess a strong education background in computer science or related field along with proven track record of delivering impactful data-driven solutions. And if you are interested for the job post, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. Fifth company in the list is WESCO, hiring for BI developer, experience 2 to 4 years, job locations in Bengaluru, education associate degree, US college diploma required, or bachelor's degree, computer science, software engineering, or related discipline preferred. Salary would be 4 to 6 lakhs per annum. Roles and responsibilities: develop and maintain new and existing Power BI reporting, develop and maintain Power BI apps for the business, work with SQL databases to create new tables and views along with querying existing data, participate in UAT for new enhancements, partner with the business units to develop enhancement to better support the business, and responsible for maintaining process documentation and technical aspects based on changing IT landscapes and business requirements. So these are some key responsibilities you need to perform as a BI developer. And skills and experience, you need to have at least a license, certification, designation, Power BI or Tableau certification preferred, 2 to 4 years of experience in BI development for coding with SQL, same experience programming background, knowledge of SQL, Python, DEX, R or M, intermediate expert level knowledge of Access and Excel, which include pivot tables, VLOOKUPs, complex logic statements, and decision making skills, along with strong oral, written, and interpersonal skills. And if you have these skills, you are good to go with job location and salary. You can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. Let's move to the sixth job. Company name is Trek, hiring for BI report developer, experience 0 to 3 years, job location is in Gurgaon, education bachelor's degree in computer science, computer engineering or related field. Salary would be 4 to 11 lakhs per annum estimated. Key responsibilities you need to perform as a BI report developer is ETL data from various sources into Power BI SSRS, monitoring and optimization of Power BI reports, conversion of SQL Server reporting service, that is SSRS reports to Power BI, conversion of Microsoft Excel reports to Power BI, optimize Power BI data models and queries for performance and scalability, engage with the stakeholders to gather and understand their reporting requirements, provide advice and guidance to stakeholders to improve general data literacy and help enable reporting self-services, and identified opportunities for process improvement and implement best practices in BI development. So these are some key responsibilities you need to perform as a BI report developer over here. And technical skills: ability to demonstrate Power BI mastery, experience or knowledge with DEX, SQL, and MDX. MDX is not required basically, but that would be useful. Power Query mastery, knowledge and mastery of M language not required but useful. SQL Server analysis, SQL reporting services, Azure data services, and Microsoft Power BI toolset. So if you have these skills, you are okay with roles and responsibilities, you can click on this link and you can apply for the job post. And if you are a fresher, you can also apply for this job post. Let's move to the seventh job. Company name is TRC, hiring for Power BI developer, experience 2 to 3 years, job locations in Hyderabad, education bachelor's degree in IT, computer science, business admin or related fields. Salary would be as per industry standards. Roles and responsibilities: design, develop, and implement interactive and visually appealing Power BI reports, collaborate with the stakeholders to gather requirements and translate them into effective solutions, optimize reports for performance and ensure they meet user requirements, monitor system performance, troubleshoot issues, and ensure high availability and reliability of the Power BI environment, integrate data from multiple sources, including SQL databases, Excel file, SharePoint, and stay updated with the latest Power BI features, update, and best practices. And if you are comfortable with roles and responsibilities, you need to have below skills. This is proficiency in Power BI development, including report and dashboard creations, proficiency in SQL and ability to write complex queries, excellent analytical and problem solving skills, good understanding of visual types, data modeling, and ETL processes. And what you can do is you can click on this link and you can apply for this job role. Eighth company in the list is Coforge, hiring for business intelligence analyst, experience 2 to 3 years, job locations in Greater Noida, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Pune. Education bachelor's, master's in CS, stats, economics, business admin, or related field. Salary would be as per industry standards. Roles and responsibilities: experienced Informatica Power Center expert, our current version is 10.4.1, will be responsible for reviewing, optimizing, and enhancing existing legacy Informatica workflows to improve performance and including additional data elements. Ability and experience in creating new ETL processes to push or pull data from external data sources or targets. A strong databases experience, preferably with SQL, preferably preferred but not required skills. Experience with Snowflake, with Power BI report development, maintenance. Experience with insurance or financial data. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform as the Power BI developer or business intelligence analyst over here. And key skills: proficiency in SQL for data querying, manipulation, and optimization. Experience with Snowflake, Power BI, and reporting development, maintenance. Strong programming skills in Python for data analysis, scripting, and automation. And apart from this, SQL, Power Center, and Informatica experience would be preferred. And if you have below skills, you are comfortable with roles and responsibilities as well, you can fill the job application link by clicking on this link, which is available in the description box of this video. Let's move to the ninth job. Company name is Genpact, hiring for Power BI analyst, experience 1 to 3 years, job locations in Gurgaon, education any graduate, salary would be as per industry standards. Roles and responsibilities: work independently and as a part of team to design, develop, test, and implement dashboard reports, work with business and leadership teams to ensure deliverables fulfill requirements, manage and coordinate software releases from development and testing and development to production, SQL and database programming experience gained through either SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle, and other relational databases, technical expertise regarding data models, database design, development, mining, and segmentation techniques, and performance tuning experience related to reporting queries required. And for this job role, there are certain key skills: Power BI, understanding of Lean, Six Sigma, ideal ability to work with Microsoft Office Suite, Visio, Advanced Excel, and SQL, ability to handle pressure, timelines, and customer demands, stay motivated and executive oriented, team worker, and should have people peer management experience, high MS Office skills, that would be Advanced Excel and preferred. And if you are interested for the job post, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job role. Let's move to the 10th job. Company name is Nanopal, hiring for BI developer, experience 0 to 3 years, location is in Bangalore, education bachelor's degree in computer science, data science, or information technology. Salary would be 4 to 9 lakhs per annum and can be varied as per the experience and job location. Roles and responsibilities: we are looking for a BI developer to provide excellent customer service to our clients by assisting with implementing solutions, maintaining and supporting the assigned applications. In this role, you should have a background in data and business analysis. You should be an analytical and excellent communicator. If you also have business acumen and problem-solving attitude, we'd like to meet you. The role needs a person who can solve anything quicker than anyone else. If the deadline is on fire, you need to work side by side with the team and code or run tests if they require your help. Key skills for this job role: coordinate with the business analyst and customers to develop business requirements and specification documents, maintain business intelligence models to design, develop, and generate both standard reports and functional dashboards based on business requirements, work to build validation, and collaborate with subject matter experts to design and provide data outputs, and working knowledge of BI technologies such as Power BI, Tableau, Looker, and QLixSense, manage new report generation and report enhancement based on change requests. And if you are interested for the job post, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job role. So friends, these are 10 jobs for this week for the role of Power BI developer or business intelligence analyst. I hope you like this video and this video would be helpful. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.